Hello and welcome to the show. Ano po pangalan nila, sir?
Jolo Salita.
And,
15 years.
welcome to the show. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat and maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalo. We're talking about Kutsara Kids. So, what's your idea of Kutsara Kids? Jolo? Jolo, tell us your name, please.
My name is Simon Bautista
And it's Jolo.
from Claret.
And how old are you, Jolo?
I am 15 years old.
And
I am Katina Mendoza from School of the Holy Spirit and I am 13 years old.
you're Teresa.
Bea naman na parang...
And Bea, introduce yourself.
I am Bea Lumabas, 10 years old from SHS,
What's S?
School of the Holy Spirit.
Akala ko School of the Ages. And then tell us about food. What do you like about food? Why do people eat, you think?
It gives energy.
And
First of all, our food needs to be sweet.
bakit? Why do you like foods? Food that are sweet.
It suits our taste buds.
And ikaw naman, Bea Lumabas.
It makes us strong.
Sweet food makes you strong.
Like,
Not necessarily, di ba? Pero why do you think Filipino food, no, especially merienda, and especially food offered to kids, gets to be very sweet? Well, at least sweet. Bakit ang Pilipino mahilig sa matatamis? Is it cultural? Kasi mapagmahal tayong mga Pilipino?
It's both cultural and another thing why Filipinos like sweet foods is because
Tagalog kaya?
kasi gusto nilang sweet kasi masarap. Yun.
Pero but other cultures, no? Di ba may mga pinsa kayong Germans and they have may mga merienda sila na maalat nga. They like pretzels very much. Tapos maraming asin. You think it's good? You think, palagay mo tayong mga Pilipino, pwede rin mabuhay na ganun mga merienda natin? Hindi matamis.
Feel ko hindi dahil nakalakihan na natin na matatamis ang ating mga kinakain.
Pero you think it would be a healthy alternative kung masarap kung hindi matamis ang ating merienda?
Hindi rin kasi lahat ng bagay ay may tamang moderation.
Bea, di ba napapanood mo sa TV sa Thailand, they eat insects? Yeah, what's your idea of eating insects as merienda?
My idea na pag kinakain yung insects, syempre, unang instinct mo is mandidiri ka kasi hindi natin lang kung saan sila nanggagaling. Tsaka nanggagaling sila mostly sa lupa. So, syempre, didiri ka o kaya madudumihan sa akin.
Pero vegetables comes from...
Pero they're made to eat.
But insects are also made to eat.
Kasi
What's your idea? Sa palagay mo, mabubuhay ka doon if you get to live in Vietnam, for example?
No. Yes.
Pero insects are very, very healthy.
Healthy.
Protein, no unsaturated, no fat, and very high in protein. You agree, Jolo?
yes. Kasi first consumer sila, so kapag kinain natin sila, magiging second consumer tayo.
Lang tayo. And what ano ibig sabihin?
More energy.
Sa energy, medyo mas puro ang energy binibigay nila.
More energy, tapos healthy pa.
What would be your favorite insects kung kakain ka ng insect?
Ipis.
Ikaw naman, ayaw mo ng insects, Bea?
ayaw.
Snake na lang. Gusto mo.
No.
How about reptiles? Kung reptile lang kakain mo, what would you like? What reptile would you like? Eat? Yeah.
Yeah.
Chocolate?